how to take partials on MetaTrader 5. Open up the MetaTrader 5 app and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you will then go into trade. Here you will be able to see all of your positions and how can we actually take partials. Click on the position itself that you want to take the partial for, and you can either close the position or modify the position. Let's say that we want to close the position. Here, if you want to take partials, you will edit the lot, which is going to be in the middle, so you can type whichever number you want depending on your specific needs here, and then you will see this option close sell 01 with profit. So you will click on that, and then you can go back, and here you can track your trading. And again, if you click on trade here in the middle, then you can either buy or sell, and you can edit the lot in the middle, and that's how you take positions. I hope this helps, or partial, sorry. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.